Abusuafo wo October bosom ne de to so du enson na mrahye bedwa mu chiamehene Right Honorable Alban Kingsford Babin ejina Ghana mamra so ehwe ya mrahye bedwafo makomako enan wo kire mu ese wayi omadi efri mrahye bedwa mu a eno ho ensem beye bebre enam so ema NDC amanyoku no omo dodoɔ no ewo animu echen MPP amanyoku ni sanse saa mrahye bedwafo ka o masem yi emu makomako mienu MPP amanyoku no mrahye bedwafo na baako wonam kontonkoro baako ka ho no so NDC fo mrahye bedwani na yenyina nim se mrahye bedwamu no dom kestoa ne dom kese ni nyina no dodoɔ na pe nipa baako pe na wadantamu a wono so ne MPP amanyoku no adwuma na boa ma MPP fo enya majority side no na enna maginasi dia speaker asie ni ntino eno eka ho ama NDC amanyoku sisi dodoɔ na ewa animu ni ntino komrahye bedwafi a ewo so omo na dom tetrete no tena bia wonum enso etimi occupy na mentimo asebebri na ekoso nam so ama MPP amanyoku mrahye bedwafo nso ani abere pa ama omano ba no dani owura Alexander Afenyo Markin Crowd asem na kopie mu ewo Supreme Court na Supreme Court nso tena asem no so no na wode ruling anasa temodi aba wakache speaker say sam mrahye bedwafo makomako enan no nkoso ama omonye omadwuma kosi bra asem a MPP mrahye bedwafo no anoba no dani dia beto omapono so no ombetimi so apende pharmacy bere speaker enso so akana no atomu ewo saa asemi eho a wontumi enso enkyere mu se wode Supreme Court to hyehyɛ ne bɛyɛ adwuma na so wonfa enye adwuma na enam so ama speaker kora nso de atodwe kyerɛ mu sɛ saa na tie kora de a ene mrahye bedwa no kora mpo no wɔn atwom dwumadi no ɔmo di no asensen a eno no yennim bra obefre na eno ne friend say indefinitely suspension no na ye wa tweye mu a ehwe se speaker esan so befra ma mrahye bedwafo akwa asetena biem sanse no ma bebre ho no ma ewo se womo enso etimi edi hu edwuma na eboa ema government business no etimi ekonanim na enumu no na speaker enso de nkrata babonte so kire mu se de nkrofo ekasa se mrahye bedwamo so omkwa asetena na ho nsema kwa bebre ni ntiri Nyankopon ya adoma eda ya wada November bosom de to so enso afempinu ne aduno enan wono mo bekọ akwa ase na omatro mu dwumadi omu edie eso na sisi omkwa akotena ase no ene yebusa se aso NDC mrahye bedwafo no omo na ebekọ akotena dom tetrete no tena bia ana se MPP fo na ebekọ so atena ho nti hwan na etena dom tetrete ne tena bia na hwan na etena dom ketwa no tena bia debate na koye bibiri sanse besi nne no MPP mrahye bedwafo no nti omo asese omo na minority na sanso na NDC mrahye bedwafo no so enjintum se omo so bekoso minority no omo chese isi omo na majority na enumu na onyambo ochena setena omo ekọ no busebusamu se sisi anse na enhye no esibi etie adwebre waba na mrahye bedwani de ma de hye omo adaklu abatoɔ empesua eso wono na agya NDC amanyoku no mrahye bedwafo no bowura mu a nanka oyɛ chief whip de ma wo mo wode atodwa ekire mu ese wono de onimu an se empempen de NDC mrahye bedwafo ne kuta dom tetete no mrahye bedwam tinyambo ochena kwa omo kwa asetena no mo kwa omo sanso ekɔgye dom kese na etena bia no asanso aboso owura Kwame Governance Aboja wono na woyɛ adakuru mrahye bedwani yentie sade agya woni nsamtwerefo edi ahyiamu no ocheche nsemu no mu efaaye
our position on how we are going to conduct business on the floor of Parliament tomorrow as a result of the second recall initiated by our colleagues, the minority MPP group in Parliament. Tomorrow, as a result of the directive of Mr. Speaker, in line with the Constitution and standing orders, the majority NDC shall attend upon the House at appropriate time as directed by Mr. Speaker. We shall take our rightful place in the chamber as to where we sit and wait for whatever businesses that may come in front of us. Our advice to our colleagues in the minority NDC is to try and prioritize business that is in the interest of the people of this country, and they shall find favor and cooperation with us in trying to deal with those businesses. We can assure them that as long as the business is in the interest of improving the lot of Ghanaians, they can count on the majority NDC caucus in Parliament to support those initiatives to pass those things that would help the people of this country. So it is a very brief information we are giving you. We will be attending upon the House as directed by Mr. Speaker. We shall be taking our seat in the chamber in accordance to the majority side, which we are in Parliament, and we shall be open to supporting our colleagues in the minority to conduct businesses that are in the interest of the people of this country. Thank you.